boy? Yeah. Where? It's the Katarina. Where's... Wait, where? I found it. Hey! What's that? It's duck! My car! My car! My car is missing! My baby! Why? My baby! Where? There on the side! My baby! Where's Kuya? Let's watch TV. I will open the TV. I will give you some... I will... Daddy, where's the sound? Daddy, open the door. Why? My baby is locked. Because Kuya out. He's out not to play. Let's watch TV. Where are you? Let's go to the SM area. Where's the car? Oh, took my car! Who took my car? My baby! My baby! My boss baby! Oh my god! Let's go. There's something on their house! There's something on their house! Why there's a people on their house? Why there's a little baby here? Wow, there's a big game! Why you're on their house? What the hell do we go in here? Let's go out, Asha! You're crazy! Come on, let's go out. Wait, I will close the door. Asha! I want to go see. I will go there. Wait, baby, go back here. What happened to that? Hey, baby. This is all. Oh, there's the scary man. That's right. Why? Asha, where are you? What are you? Asha, let me down. Let me down. Wait, I will make something more fun. Mommy, go ahead. Okay. You wearing Emerald backpack? Yeah. Let's watch TV. No, no way. I will why? Why said no way? Yeah. If we go to me right now, okay? We go here. No. Wait. Wait, let's wait. You wait for I will. You wait. I will count. You wait there. Go to my house. Okay? Where's the peoples? You go now. Yes, I bingo. Okay. Ano yun? Yan, boy. Wait lang. What? Why there's a baby? Wait, I'm going to... My bitch, baby. Where? There. Where? Why? Let me go. I'm done taking this baby. Hey, come on. This is float. I will not love you now. I am. Asha, open the door. Yay, my baby. And the father. I have mama. And there's a baby. But there's like a die. Why? A mom and a boy will go here again. Be happy. Yeah. I will press you again and you press green. Green. I will bring you somewhere. I will go. I will hear. No. What's your bedroom, okay? Bedroom. My bedroom. Okay, you stay there. That's my bedroom. Where's the baby? Oh no, the baby is missing. Where's the baby? She left me. Look, I closed the door. I closed the light first. Yeah, hey, that's what baby. Hey. Where are you locked? You're not locked. Where are you? I'm downstairs. Let me go. Let me go. You're in the bedroom. I'm here. Come on. Let's watch TV first. Okay, let's. Want to go to supermarket or no? Yeah. Okay, let's go. What are you looking there? Why are you looking my flower? I'm so cute. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Let's go out. Hey! Actually, I will lock the door so everyone can see and close the window. Wait, I will wait. There's a someone knock our door. There's someone. There's a bad guy at our house. There's a bad guy.